All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Pillbug spinner from Gobigger, a Lautier X-Bone spinner, and a Lautier wand. What am I going to do with these guys? I'm going to pimp up the Pillbug spinner. This is the OG, this is not the youth, this is the original Pillbug spinner. Now this one has become a grail and it's very expensive because you cannot find this fella. There's 99 made of this Zirc blasted and 99 made of the Zirc polished, so good luck finding one of those. But anyways, we're here to show you what you can do to pimp it up. So first of all, you can buy some treats, and there's going to be 12 on this side, 12 on this side, and you have room for another 6 internally on this side and 6 on the other side. So you have 36 overall treats that you can install in this one. So it's going to become expensive, as if this fella wouldn't be already expensive enough. But if you get a Lautier X-Bone, especially the Zirc and stainless steel, what you can do is remove the buttons, which I love with this skull like that, is just fantastic. You can toss this out, just put the wand aside for a second. You just unscrew right over here the 2 buttons of the Pillbug. Just put them together like that, and boom, look at that button replacement on the Pillbug to have, let's see if I can do it nicely. There you go. So look at this. Now you have the Pillbug with the spinning center with the skull. So it's a pretty cool button in my opinion. It also allows the toy to be, you know, standing on the table, so you can spin it. It looks phenomenally cool. It's like it's a crossover, Lautier plus Gobigger meet the skull Pillbug. And it's just like a fantastic one. Similarly, you can use the wand, removing one part only. See, you have one on this side and the other side of the button for this, the Pillbug, and just use it like that on the wand and just spin it away like so and hold it in a hand like that. If you want to just spin it in your hand, in your fingers like that. How about this view? It's pretty cool, guys. One of my favorite spinners for sure. You can customize it, you can play, you can have a lot of fun with these guys, especially with the interchangeability of these accessories. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.